Morning, sir. Morning, sir. Sir, you have told that if you want to change the world, you have to change yourself first.
Yes?
Yes, sir. Sir, inner change is a lifelong process. It is a process which always running. Sir, there are some circumstances, negative forces which always check us. Sir, how can we remain focused on this positive attitude and still motivated, sir?
As I mentioned earlier, study. Those books which mentioning transformation about our mind, about our emotion. That's the only way. Any human action is first knowledge, then implement. So just one word, as I already mentioned, this just sort of indicates how to develop happy human being, happy world. Then, step by step, you should think. When I think about problem of this planet, huge problem. Sometimes I feel I cannot do much. Then the answer is, we need change. It is possible to change. So who start change? Me, individual. One person, then 10%, then 100%, then 1,000%, then 100,000, go like that.